Today we will learn some vocabulary words related to Chandrayaan 3. So we will discuss in English definition. First is lunar probe. So what is lunar probe? A spacecraft designed to explore the moon's surface, orbit or vicinity. Next one is payload. Payload means the scientific instruments and equipment carried by the spacecraft to conduct experiments or gather data. Lander. The part of the spacecraft that is designed to touch down safely on the moon's surface. Rover. Rover means a small mobile vehicle that is deployed from the lander. Next one is rover. Rover means a small mobile vehicle that is deployed from the lander to explore the moon's surface and conduct experiments. Next one is orbiter. A spacecraft that goes into orbit around the moon, used to study the moon from a distance. Next one is mission control. The central command center where engineers and scientists monitor and control the spacecraft operations. 7. Launch vehicle. So what is launch vehicle? The rocket used to propel the spacecraft from Earth's surface into space. Next one is communication satellite. A satellite used to relay signals and data between the spacecraft and mission control on Earth. Scientific research. The systematic investigation of natural phenomena to gather information and gain knowledge about the moon. Next one is space mission. A planned journey to space with specific objectives, equipment and scientific goals. Next word is remote sensing. The process of collecting data about the moon's surface and environment using instruments on the spacecraft. Next one is space exploration. What is mean? The process of sending spacecraft and instrument to explore outer space, including the moon and other celestial bodies. Next word is lunar surface analysis. The study of the moon's physical and chemical properties by analyzing data collected from landers and rovers. Next word is lunar crater. What does mean? A bowl-shaped depression on the moon's surface, often formed by the impact of meteoroids.